Ho, ho, ho! Old Santa here, coming to you from Santa Department 25 at the North Pole Workshop. And now that we've sprung forward and it's spring, I want to remind you that we need to check our smoke detector batteries. Every spring when we spring forward, every fall when we fall back, we need to change those batteries in our smoke detectors. Make sure they're in good working order, okay? And while we're on the subject, once a month, we need to push those buttons and make sure they beepity beep and make sure that our smoke detectors are in good working order, okay? And we need to have one good working smoke detector on every floor in our home, okay? It's for our own safety. And remember, Santa loves you. I want you to be safe. Merry Christmas. Merry Christmas every day. Ho, ho, ho!